I'm on the Isle of Wight, waterside, but I call it bird world. I love it. So this time I've got some proper duck food and swan food, so I'm looking forward to seeing them. A very beautiful place. I love it, and like I say, last time I fed them pigeon feed, you know, but they're quite happy eating. Oh look, that's the first geese of the day, and I can see a pigeon on the left hand side here, and some people drinking under the umbrella here, so I try not to film them. I only love filming birds, if you see what I mean. And I'll be honest with you, I love birds more than I do people, because they don't upset me in any way. Now look at these little geese here. So let's sit here for a minute on the stairs and get a few out, because I might be able to track these geese over. I don't want to be filming the people mind, you know what I mean? So let's try to attract them, because I want to see that little baby one, because I saw it last time I come here. So let's see, they're coming over, so I'm attracting them. Sit over here because someone's walking by here. They're lovely, aren't they? So I'm just sort of doing a little movie here for my YouTube channel. So I don't film people, I only film birds. I love birds. Beautiful, aren't they?
They are lovely, yeah.
Yeah. I call this bird world.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. Oh, look at that one.
I'll tell you, I come here a couple of weeks ago and filmed them,
Yeah.
okay? And then on the way home, because I don't live here, I'm on holiday, alright? I lost my camera and lost all my film. This is a new camera now, do you know what I mean? But that's life, you know, and this camera I got now is better. So I lost, can you imagine going on holiday and losing all your movies, do you know what I mean?
That's not good, is it?
You know, anyway, it don't matter, you know, life goes on.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you lose things, you can better them by getting something better.
Yeah. They are lovely though, look at them.
Yeah. So I'm trying to film them and attract them over towards me, do you know what I mean? Yeah.
You need food, haven't you?
I've got hundreds of it.
Oh, I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I've got a big bag full.
Put the food down, you'll soon get them.
Yeah. So have a good day, yeah?
Yeah, and you.
And love all birds.
Yeah.
That's how I end my video.
Oh.
I'm the bird loving man on YouTube.
Oh.
So you'll hear yourself talking. You'll be on, you're not your face, but you'll hear,
Yeah.
you know, do you know what I mean? So if you want to watch it, the bird loving man,
Right,
it'll be uploaded this week. And there's that little one. My mother likes it. So let's try to get them nearer. I really want to get down and feed the swans really, but I thought I'd stop here. Here we go. Ouch! They pinch a little bit. Ouch! Sometimes they hurt, honestly. Like little monsters. So you enjoyed the breakfast there. Getting over a handful. It's difficult to get in my bag. It's only a little tiny little haul. So it is a little bit bigger than last time I fed them. I think I fed them about a week ago. Ouch! They do hurt sometimes, they pinch. Look, I mean the mother is shyer than these, aren't they? Yeah. Oh God, I can't get into the bag, honestly. Right there. Let's try to feed the mother. The mother is a bit more gentle. A little bit rough, but the little chicks hurt me sometimes, honestly. They pinch my skin. Oh yeah. My hand gets really dirty, look. It feels like I'm going to have to wash my hands, let's put it that way. So they're enjoying this. This is proper pigeon, I'm sorry. Look, a big bag of it here, look. Look at that, look at that. Look at it, look, look. 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 That's funny. Look at it. The mother's trying to get in there. Is there really a little chick there? No, I don't know why it's so small. Maybe it hatched late. Suddenly they get hooked. Yeah, Sally. They're having a good feed, aren't they? They're going to eat them all. They're greedy, aren't they? Aren't they hungry, eh? Yeah. They're really having a good feed, aren't they? They found the hole. They found the entry to the bag. Look how big the hole is. I've been trying to get him out of there. I suppose it's been a bit awkward. I love this little baby one here. Now let's get some pigeon nuts out, if I can. He's tempted. Come on. Look, they're going to eat him all. They love him. They love him. Looks like Mr. Red Ring. Mr. and Mrs. Red Ring. Right, I better go somewhere else. Alright, that's enough is enough. The mother's making a hole. Wait, get out of it. Get out of it. There you go. They're almost sitting on my lap. Right, what I'm gonna do is try to see if they follow me. It's really difficult to hold my camera actually doing this. I'm trying to get in there, aren't you? So, right, so let's go down here and see if they follow me, because I'm in a really quite an awkward spot actually. I expect my bum's really dirty. So, I'm going to go down here and see if they follow me down here. Come on. Go on then. Now let's go down here. So at least I fed them and saw the little one today. Let's see what birds we find down here today. That's a nice swimming pool here. I mean, it's a nice holiday place, I feel. Some ducks sitting down here. So it's a nice holiday place. Nice swimming pool there. Nice sunny day today. Just going to find a spot to sit. A nice spot. Some swans over here. They're mostly over there today. So what I think I'm going to do is go over there. I think I will. So anyway, they're getting interested in me. You know, they're swimming over towards me, as you can see. So I just want to sit in a good spot, really, if I can. So they're still following me. These ducks sleeping here on the side. wonder if they will come here. There's seats over there. Let's sit here. Let's sit here. See if it's a bit windy, so I'm trying to get the wind off the camera. So they are coming over. So back out here again. Pigeons are here too. Ducks have come here too. Notice their heads, the colouring's come off of them. And I've noticed that with ducks, maybe the colour comes off of them in the summer. So they're all coming over, look, thousands of them. I'm going to get attacked by birds in a minute. Look at them, that's going nuts. Let's get away a bit. Look, they're all coming, they're all hungry. Oh my god, look. They get out of it. Put that in there, hide it from them. Oh my goodness, look. Oh my god, I'm going to get killed, I'm going to get attacked by birds. Look at them, they're crazy. They're little buggers, aren't they? They're a nuisance if you ask me. This is funny. Funny. It's attacking my bag. Right, what I want to do is really sort of go over here and see. They probably follow me. Be a bit more comfortable on the seat over, I think. So it's getting a bit windy now. So it's funny. I had to get away from them because they were surrounding me and pecking me on the back and pulling my bag about. So if I go put my bag up here, they won't be able to do that, if you see what I mean. So let's see if I can attract them. Well, they know I've got the food. That's a bit better, but it's a bit windy, so I'm trying to protect the camera as much as I can. Let's get my other seeds out. So they are coming this way. I thought they were. I'm a lot more comfortable now, and they're not attacking me like they were. So, also got my pigeon seed here for the pigeons, but there's no pigeons here at the moment. Yeah, the wind's picking up. Put a bit more of this down. Bird thieves. Look, I love this one. Beautiful. Get some down, there's a little pigeon down there. He's got a two blue rings. And this beautiful duck here, look at it. Look at that. He's wet, a wet duck. It's crazy. Crazy bird. Crazy birds. Beautiful colour, eh? Now I can actually stroke this one, look. Right, let's get a few more. See, like when I throw it out like that, it actually sort of rains nuts on them. They're behind me. Look at these. Hello. Hello. I'll put some behind me for them. Oh, that one's up here now. So I can actually stroke him. He gets a bit angry. Now look at them all. Thousands of them. And pigeon. Ouch! They remind me of snakes. They hiss as well, like snakes. I'm not going to give you all of them. I want to come here another day. I'm not buying any more. They're not too expensive really. They work out £1.70 for a big bag, so it's quite. Oh, sorry, pigeon. I just threw them on there. They're quite cheap really, I think, you know. Cheaper than the pigeon mix, that's for sure. Pigeon mix is £5 a bag. So that one looks like Angel there, that pigeon. Look how small the pigeons are compared to these huge birds. I'd be scared. You'd think that these birds would attack them. This is what I mean, the pigeons. You don't like being touched, that one. This one's trying to get down. So this is a real bird feast, isn't it? Look how many birds I've got around me. That one's pecking at the flowers up there for some reason. I don't know what he's doing. That one looks quite young, that pigeon there. Always spitting in the shower and attacking the shower. I do like that side of here, look. I'm picking them up. Picking them up. Don't know what kind of duck that is actually. I really don't. Oh, sorry pigeon. Pecking on my back, look. Look. Ouch. They love me, don't they? They love me. They love me. I brought them some food. Not many people buy them food, do they? Look at the swans, they're not coming out. I want to go feed the swans before I go. So what I'm going to do is pack up here. Put that in there. So at least I'm a bit more comfortable than I was just now anyway. And I also want to mention that I do another channel with my friend, my best friend. Well, he's, you know, I've got a lot of friends, but he's just a good friend that I'm doing a chat show with, and we really get on. And we've been doing it for over a year, and we've uploaded about over 50 channels so far. Cheeky little things, aren't they? A little bit more. We love it. We love it. Let's see. Let's watch him go mad. Alright, let's throw loads out. Let's watch him go mad. All the swans are coming out, so I can stay here. That's cool. Look at how big that is. That's a monster, isn't it? Look how big. Look. Ouch! Like a monster. Ouch! Ouch, he's not very kind. I don't really like feeding them. Because he hurts a little bit, you know. I think these things can break your arm. They're quite strong. Look, 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 look. He's going to sit on my lap. Look. The monster's going to sit on my lap. Look, he's getting to the bag, isn't it? No, I'm getting attacked here. I'm telling you, I'm getting attacked. Look, look, I'm getting attacked behind as well, look. Look, look. They're all they're attacking me, honestly. They're pulling my hair on the back, keep pecking me. So I've got to pack up and go because I'm being attacked. And there's more birds on their way, coming this way too. So I'm going to call it a day, right? Because I'm going to save because they've had enough today. Get out of it. Get out of it, greedy swan. There's now some more, that's more. I don't like you. You're not nice. You're not kind. You're not kind. He's not kind. Nasty swan. I'm going before I get killed. He's going to sit on my lap in a minute, I'm sure he is. Get out of it. I'm going. Right, that's it from me. Have a good day. Love all birds.